Good evening. Buwas ng puso kay ikaw. Hi, Real Marlon, Real Polk. Good morning to you, Chris Led. Evening here. Evening here.
Bakal nasa likod mo.
Real Marlon, Real Polk. You know what? Sorry. I don't want to waste my time like you. I don't want to waste my time. I'm not entertained toxic like you. Hi James Hogan. James Hogan, hello. Sir John. Hi Sir John. Hello beautiful. How is your day going? Doing good. Okay po, live. Yes, live again because because I don't want to feel sad, something like that. I don't want to feel bored. I'm doing nothing I need to do like. Yes, I don't want to I need to distract the negative. Hello. Veronica, you are very sexy. You are very beautiful and sexy. Thank you, Sir James Hogan. Well, ironic can. Try catching up on sleep call. Yes po, Sir Jan. Thank you, Sir Jan. Oh my God, Murad. Sorry, Murad. I don't have time like you. I don't have time people like you, Murad. My goodness. Mopsy! My God, you came back. What happened to you, Mopsy? Very long time. My God, what happened to you? What news about you? Adolfo Marcondes. Maaari bang malaman ko kung Armando? Understand. John Fieldings. Hi, I'm from Australia again, beautiful. Oh, thank you, Sir John Fieldings. From Australia. Maaari bang malaman ko kung sino ba Hello, how are you, Santa Rosa de Lima? Wait, Colombia. My friend from Colombia. I'm from Philippines. Filipina. You're really gorgeous. Oh, thank you po. Jose. Hi, Jose. Dance. No. Thank you, Jose. Maari bang malaman ko kung ano ang Aw, aw, di Carabao, di Batuten. Batuten, Stepele, Pendumato. Ow, ow. Turn to the side. Hello from Poland. Hi for fuel from Poland. Turn to the side. Turn to the side. You should you should try and visit Australia one day. It's easy to visit, but if you have money, so easy to visit. Hola, ma. Turn this side. What do you mean? I need to watch my own life. My life. My God. Already slept. Already asleep. Already asleep. Albert, you would love it here. Okay, I will. Yeah, Australia is beautiful. Yes, but I like the nature. Na, 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 like to see you. Oh my God, not like that. Hello, how are you there? I am from Netherlands. Hi, Albert Van Zanten from Netherlands. Thank you for joining. Albert from Netherlands. Malvin Corpus, hi. Already asleep. Stop it, Arona. Stop. Maari bang malaman ko? Would you marry an Australian? Sorry, sir. I'm not available. I'm not single. Not yet married. I'm not yet married, but I'm not single po. I'm taken with someone. Ari bang malaman ko kung paano ko sa pinsan? Fair enough. No homework tonight po. Have homework, but I'm lazy. You are so beautiful. Oh, thank you. Who wants adventure? Thank you po. I'm from Bulgaria. Hi, Boyko. Thank you so much for joining. Maaari bang What work? Work. A lots of work. What work? Hi, Paulo Beta. Thank you for joining, guys. My goodness. Thank you so much. Maaari bang follow Beta Boy ko? Jose. Marian Mendez Nado. Jose. Thank you for joining. Jose. I'm watching myself. My goodness. My gulay. Sir Jan. I'm always I'm curious about what I do like in the other. Ano. I'm going to take my advice and go to bed. Good night po. Thank you, Sir John. Yes po. After the live, I'm going to sleep po. Yes po. Thank you, Sir John. Hi, Pinks. Thank you so much for joining, Pinks. I'm going to. Thank you, Pinks. Beautiful princess. Salvio, Sir Tech. Hi. Hi, Carlos. Hello. You're so beautiful. Gorgeous. Congratulations there. Always happy Brazil. Thank you, Carlos. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you and your family? Hi, things. I'm here. I'm fine. Also, my family good. Thank you for joining. Thank you very much, Ahmed. Yep, Prague. Hey, Miss Hi, Sir Kenneth. Kuya Kenneth. Well, you didn't have your friend there for me to meet. Oh my God. Ha, I have a friend, Sir Jan, who want to meet you. But I don't know if you're. You said before you don't want, but I don't know how to ano. I told her that Sir Jan don't like another because he think he's old. But I think it just doesn't matter. She's so beautiful, Sir John. So beautiful, sexy. You're so kind, sweet. You will like her. But thank you, John Rose Kala. Nice. Hi, Ren. Thank you, Ren. From Thailand. I am Filipino. Filipino. If ay pakinggan nyo. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Can you give a flying kiss? No. I am old po. How old is your friend? She's same my age po. Same my age. Same size. Same size. My God. But she's more beautiful than me. She's beautiful. She's also thin. Young lady, yeah. She's pretty. She's pretty than me, po, surgeon. Please there, no. Stand up. Why should I stand up? Can you, ano ba yan? Don't wanna let her go. See height. Okay, if you send the super chat, I will stand up. $100. Jose Joseph Paras. I'll be the judge of that po. Yes po. Higher than then only. Only. Yes. $100. Yes, I will stand up Joseph Perez. Naiinis ako. Oh my God. Sir Steven Davidson, thank you Sir Steven. Oh my God, iba yung nagbigay. Hello, gorgeous lady. Pati pa nagbigay. Thank you. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you po. My reaction on that. Ganda mo. Oh, Pinoy pala eh. You're welcome. Thank you, Sir Stephen. You're welcome. Thank you po. Expensive, nothing is cheap here. Nothing is cheap there. You can't afford. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, Kenneth. Mom, I had a phone call. I'm back. Good morning. Thank you, Sir Kenneth, for joining. God bless po. Have a nice day. So, Joseph, don't demand if you can't afford. So, stop it. Auto check. So, stop. Stop. I have that tula para ba? Cheryl, where have you been? Oh my God. I really sleepy. Okay, you need to sleep, Sir Kenneth, Kuya Kenneth. To sleep and rest. Health is wealth. Anthony Harrison. Hi, Anthony Harrison. Mario Castro team. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my lover can get it someday. I wait lang. I need to help me stay awake. Or maybe you need coffee. But you need rest. Choose to rest. Need to rest. Only heaven knows. be right back. Okay, thank you. Take your time, Emerson. Yes, I never get enough sleep. Never. You look tired. Did you work hard today? Not work hard today. It's fine. Dad, subscribe and like. Thank you. Mwah, chup chup. What? Your channel name is Mama Chup Chup. Your channel name. My goodness. Thank you for subscribe and like. Thank you so much. I'm myself. May gulay. Zulia. Siamos. Zulia. Zulia. What? Keep losing the signal. Keep losing. Me? That's why I watch my own live because and my and here on my phone it's fine, but in the other just like don't subscribe like mo. Mahal kita dati. My God, ano mga pangalan niya? Um, Dadadati. Thanks, beautiful God. Huh? Mauritius. Mauritius by Capriata. Kakaiba. Kakaiba yung pangalan ah. Thank you for the likes. May gulay. I will just use my main channel. Okay. Hindi. Kasi, na-translate pala to, pero Tagalog pala. Sorry, translated pati. Sorry. Translated. Kahit Tagalog, naka-English. Sorry man. Translated. Naka-translate. Sir Derek Johns. Welcome back. How are you, Sir Derek Johns? Let's done subscribe and like mo po, main ko. Okay. Mo, main mo. Nads Mix Vlog. Okay po. Thank you sa likes and subscribe. Nads Mix Vlog. Hello, Sir Derek Johns. How are you po? How are you, Sir Derek? Bye. Bye. Bye, Nads Mix Vlog. Thank you for joining. Maybe my love will come back someday. Sorry. Ni Meme. I'm going sleep soon. Ang kulit mo, Joseph. Mario Castro. Hi, Mario. Sir Bell, I just want to stop and say hi. Can't stay. Have a good night. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you for joining. Thank you po. God bless. Have a nice day. Ah, 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 ah. Ano ba yan, Joseph Perez? OA mo. Thank you, Sir Bell. Bye-bye. Only. Ang kulit niya. Ang kulit ko. Ang kulit mo, Joseph. Ew. Ciao. Ciao, Gazi. Gizipe. Gizipe. What does it hurt me so? Do you have a headache? No. Just I like this because of the lights. No headache. Anistar. Anistar. Angulo. My God. I look, ano, I look tired on the video. My God. Um, I get a headache when I have a lack of sleep. See me. See me too. That's why I need, ano, in few minutes, I'm going to sleep. How should I marry you? Crisanto. Crisostomo. Gutamda. Gutamdahay. You have over 5,000 subscriber. Wow, nice. Thank you, Sir Kenneth. At least, at last. Thank you so much to those who supporting me here. Most of my during live because of my moderator. Thank you so much. It helps me, you know. I'm from Philippines. Philippines too. Only heaven knows. Your age? My age is 41 years old. 1. My age. Why are you so beautiful and so sweet? Greetings and magical kisses from Turkey. Oh, yeah. Bolero. Antok na. I need to go to sleep na. Because I just need to, time is up. Time is up. Need to go to sleep. Bye-bye. Bye everyone. See you next live. Bye-bye.